What if I told you that in just less than 24 hours, you can hit that goal of your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Yeah, this is not a clickbait. I'm just going to show you the exact strategy that actually works for me. And a lot of big content creators on YouTube did not want to talk to you about, did not want to teach you about these strategies in order for you to use and gain lots of subscribers on your YouTube channel. There are many content creators that have actually used this AI to gain lots of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Someone like Jubilee Media, Flagrant, Mark Rober, and over 10 million creators on YouTube are using this AI to gain lots of subscribers on their channel. I'm going to show you how this actually works and how you can also start implementing it right now on your YouTube channel. Yeah, I've actually tried this AI tool on this my other channel, and I have over 800 subscribers right now on that channel, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So let's just head straight to the point. Hi beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So in this channel, I actually share videos and tips on how you can grow on your social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And I also share some video editing tips. So if this looks like what you actually want to be seeing on my channel, please do well to hit on that subscribe button or subscribe, and also share this video to get as many persons that might actually need this type of information right now. So let's just head straight to the point.
First thing, we are just going to head over to our Chrome browser. So you come here and type Opus Clip. Can you see it? So when you click on that, you click on this first option there. It's going to take you to this very particular dashboard. So before I actually sign up, I want to show you something, right? So when you scroll down here, you can see that over 10 million creators and businesses are using this Opus Clips. You can see how these people gain lot of subscribers on their channel, right? So if you can go to YouTube and search for any of these creators here, you are going to see that this one is actually using his TikTok, this one is LinkedIn, this one, let's go and search for Flagrant on TikTok. All right, Flagrant on TikTok, sorry, on YouTube. So if you come here, you can see that this person has 1.9 subscribers, right? Let's head over to another creators. We can see Jubilee Media, right? Let's come here and search for Jubilee Media, right? Jubilee Media. Take this profile picture here. You can see that this person has 9.94 million subscribers. If you come here, okay, so it's actually increased. You can see this person here. So these are how big creators are using this app to gain a lot of subscribers, and they don't actually want you to know about, right? But let me show you how you can actually do that with your own video. So you click on sign up for free. It's actually for free, but if you want to gain a lot of features, you need to upgrade to the pro version. I don't know why my network is actually very dull, but let's just get straight there. When it comes here, you can see something like you can sign up with Google, with Apple, with email address. I'm not going to click on sign up with Google. After signing up, you have to see you are on low credit upgrade. Just click here to close it. No, it's either you upload the video or you go to your YouTube and you copy the link of one of your video. So let's come to YouTube right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link of this video. Excuse me. I'm just going to come here and copy the link of this video, copy link, and I'm going to just head straight back here and make sure that I drop the link I just copied, right? So let's just wait for it to actually load. So you go ahead and click on get clicks in one click. So the moment you click on that, the video, like you can see that the video thumbnail is showing here. So it's actually loading, right? You can see all of this stuff like that. Project submitted successfully. So you'll be asked to connect to your YouTube channel. So let's just wait for this video to actually analyze. So it's just going to count here from 0 to 100. Let's just wait for that to actually come up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the video. So when I click on the video, it's going to generate like I think 3 viral shots if you are using the free version, right? So it's going to generate. Let me close here. Network is bad. So this one said gain subscribers fast, small YouTuber growth, and it's ranking 99 over 100. The second one said blah 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 and it's ranking 92 over 100. And the third one say 1K so fast, new YouTuber strategies for 2024, and this one is ranking 85. So one good thing about this is that it still give you the title, the description that actually help that video to rank in search, right? So I'm not going to go ahead and click on this first one. So you can see it right here. So if you want to download this video, you can actually go ahead and click on download HD to download the video. So if you want to actually post it, where you click on publish on social. So when you click on publish, you will say continue anyway. From here, you'll be asked to choose your social media account, be it Facebook or any other platform. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on YouTube. So from there, we will now be asked to connect it to our YouTube channel. So I'm just going to click on connect right here. We are granted these two access to our YouTube channel, right? So you can see the email notification right there. Successfully connected to YouTube Short. Can you see? So if you're actually using a pro version, you can go ahead and publish this now. But since we are using a free version, I'm just going to schedule this thing to go live later, to publish it later, right? So you actually click on schedule time. Why my network they whine me now, eh? Guys, my network is bad. So you just click on that schedule time and you'll be able to schedule it to the time you want the video to go public. You can see that nothing is coming up. I don't know what is this Glow network. It just misbehaving every time. Eh?
And one thing about using this AI to gain yourself lots of subscribers is that these people, they are also interested in watching your long form content, because what this AI tool does is just to convert your long form content into different clips or short. If you are using a free version, you can get 3 shots from that your long form video. If you are using a pro version, you can get up to 10 clips from that your long form content. And you're also going to optimize this video with the right hashtag, with the right tag, and with the right description and a right title that actually enable people to click to watch this video very fast. So the second app that actually helped me to grow this channel to over 1k subscriber is by commenting on a viral content creator in my niche in their comment section. What I mean is that you can actually go in this comment section right here, right? So what you just need to do, when you come across this my channel, make sure you actually watch my video first. So when you are done watching my video, you make sure that you can say something like nice video, and your other comment you can say small YouTuber, let's grow together, let's vibe some vibe. By so doing, YouTube is not going to see it as a spam. So how I did it was that I go to a viral content creator in my niche like Vibe with Sonia, Princess Chamaka Okoli. I'll go to their comment section because those are the kind of people that make my kind of content. I will make sure that I constructively drop a comment. So small YouTuber, gather here, let's go. Make sure you watch the video and like first so that YouTube won't see it as a spam. So after liking the video, you now drop this comment. From there, small YouTuber is going to subscribe to your channel. But in order for you not to end up losing those subscribers on their channel, tell them to do it the right way. You can actually write there in the comment section that they should go to your channel and watch one of your videos, even if they have not watched it to the very end. At least they can watch average of that video before they can actually subscribe. From there, YouTube will not see it as a spam, and it's going to maintain that subscribers on their channel. So you can also do well to grow on this comment section. I'm going to subscribe to as many content creators that are going to drop their channel link in the comment section. So do well to drop your channel link, and trust me, I'm going to subscribe to your channel. Let's go together in this 2025. We shall all get monetized. And we know agree for anybody. So try this app on your channel, and trust me, I'm going to see a skyrocketed views, subscribers, and